In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Ads, a highly targeted advertising platform that can significantly help build your business. Navigating this platform may seem daunting at first, but with my guidance, you'll quickly realize how effective it is for reaching potential customers online. So let's dive right into it. First, open your browser and head over to the Google Ads homepage. This is where the magic begins. Google Ads allows you to advertise directly to people who are actively searching for products or services like yours. Whether your goal is to attract visitors to your website, increase phone inquiries, or drive foot traffic to your store, this is where it all starts. Once you're on the homepage, look for the sign in button at the upper right corner. You'll need a Google account to sign in. If you don't already have one, simply follow the steps to create it. It only takes a few minutes. After signing in, take a moment to explore this page. It's where you'll monitor key stats, analyze results, and manage all your campaigns in one place. Now, let's create your first campaign. Locate and click on the Campaigns tab, then select New Campaign. This is your launchpad for crafting impactful ads that reach your desired audience. You'll see several campaign types such as search, display, shopping, and video. Choose the one that aligns with your business goals. For instance, if you want to appear in Google search results, the search campaign is a great place to start. Each campaign type serves a unique purpose, so take your time to select the most suitable one. Once that's done, move on to defining your target audience. Google Ads lets you fine-tune who sees your ads based on factors like demographics, location, interests, and online behavior. Imagine you own a local bakery. You could target people within a specific radius who have shown interest in baking or desserts. That level of precision ensures you're spending your advertising budget efficiently. The more specific and relevant you're targeting, the higher your chances of success. And that's it. By thoughtfully creating and refining your Google Ads campaigns, you can effectively reach your audience, grow your business, and achieve measurable results. Keep testing, learning, and improving. Over time, you'll discover the strategies that work best for your goals. Thanks for watching, and happy advertising.